Morning. Our team is hashtag World Team, and we've been tasked to develop a system for the dynamic cleaners, which deals with cleaning services and stuff. And we're here to talk about the kind of processes happen inside our that happen inside our system. Those processes include the events that take place within the system, which, for example, can when a system wants to calculate salary for employees. What happens here? The system triggers the wage details, and which those details are got from the management, and they are used to calculate the wages for the employees. What happens? The response is the salary or the wage amount, and which is stored in the database that we'll be creating. Other things that we'll talk about are things like the DFD, which shows how the data flows throughout the system, and the ERDs, which shows the entities and their relationships, and also the the DFD, which shows how data flows and the kind of problems that we implemented that we faced. Frank here will talk about the how the data flows throughout the system. Thank you.
Good morning or evening, everybody. I'm going to be telling you more about data flow. Data flow show how data is being shared on the system between users that are using the data in the company. It also shows the processes that are involved in sharing data on the system. Data flows involve the IPO, of which is input, process, and output, into managing data using those IPOs. And then Lucky here will be telling us more about the ERPs.
So here the system, basically the database, will store information such that is gathered from sources like employees, companies, sponsors. The entities gathered on the database are employees, time cards, executives, customers, service sites, sponsors, and you get your relationships from these entities gathered data. You'll have me talking about problems gathered.
Good day to one and all. Today I'm going to be talking about the problems that we face when creating the system. Well, basically, the problems that we faced when creating the system was that the employees did not know which system they want to implement in their business. So it was up to us to do the necessary research that will be compatible to their work. Well, the dynamic cleaners company, we had a problem with their system because they system, so we gave them the cheaper and more affordable system that we have tried to create for them for their work, and that's it. Thank you.
And those are the problems that we faced when we were creating this system, as we hope that it will be a success and it will be a helpful one inside the company. We thank you.